EV World News broadcast. It's Friday. We're going to discuss finance topics on what's going on in the electric vehicle, green energy, along with the stock markets. The news we provide is for entertainment purposes only, and this is a supplement to what we also have on evworld.com. I want to thank Pro Trader Mike for being my co-host today, and so let's get into it. We're going to discuss some of the EV stocks. We probably I'll let Mike kind of take it from here.
Sounds good, Matt.
What do we want to start with?
Today we were gonna discuss the swing trade newsletter that I had sent out, where there's links below in the description, and this went out to Mojo subscribers in May. Let me open it up. You guys want to grab a pen and a piece of paper, take some notes on these for sure. These are the top EV picks. I'll share my screen. And we'll get the ball rolling.
All right.
There we go. So this was the swing trade newsy letter that went out. It has 24 pages, guys. So we're not gonna go through all of them, but we'll get into the nitty gritty. This goes out every Sunday evening to my subscribers. I've been doing this for 10 years, this newsletter. Emphasis on small cap swing trading. For small cappers. And this is the, read this, the structure of the newsletter. Every Sunday night, 2 to 5 new picks. Excuse me. The structure of the newsletter. Rules. Let me close my door. I'll be right back.
All right.
It's a busy house on Fridays, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
So then we got the rules of my newsletter, how to sell for profits and how to take losses. We're getting to the picks, guys. Here's my market analysis. The focus this week is on the EV auto market. So many good companies to be aware of to build a watch list specifically for these companies. They range from larger ones to medium ones to even a small cap micro EV pick. And here's the top EV picks, guys.
And just so people are aware, you're showing a list from 2 months ago, just so we can see how things have been progressing in the last couple of months.
Yeah, could you look on Yahoo Finance as I go through the stocks and we'll see where I picked
Absolutely.
them and where they are now? Cool. So here's the first one is Ride. It goes from short interest from lowest to highest, guys. The short interest on this ride down here at 27 cents was 23.4%. Ride, RIDE is the stock symbol. And I think it's done a stock split since then. So if it did a 10 for 1, it would be at $2.70. Where's the stock trading now?
Oh, it bumped you there. I'm trying to.
334. So it's gone from 270 to 334. It's even been higher, it looks like.
Can't share both at the same time, it doesn't look like.
No, yeah, just have it on your side and see where
I've
stock's
got it.
trading right now.
Yep, 334. And where was it on in May?
27 cents. But I think it did a stock reverse split and went to $2.70.
Gotcha,
It
gotcha. So
didn't
it's
go
gone up
from
10%.
it didn't go from 27 to $3. No.
Okay. In
Okay.
Lordstown Motors.
Yeah, Lordstown. And you could see right here they have a short of the float of 23.4%. 41 million shares are short in this one. Let's go to the next one. Hyzon, HYZN, very high short interest stock at 22.53% short interest. The pick was at 48 cents.
It's at a buck 94 now.
That one is up, no split, from $48 to $2. That's gone. That one's really nice. That's 22.53% short. Target price of $4. And where is it at now?
$1.94.
It's been over
It's
2
currently its highest it's been in
since May.
yes, definitely.
Actually, let me pull up Yahoo Finance real quick. Actually, I have it on here. Let's look at Hyzen. HYZN on the daily. Whoops, sorry about that.
Actually, there's
Muellen's up.
some news on Hyzen just from yesterday. Now, they're a manufacturer of hydrogen power, hydrogen fuel cell tech. And let's see what they have. It regained compliance with a dollar per share minimum bid requirement. Matter is now closed. Doesn't really give much of an explanation as to why that happened. But where in
Okay.
the 10th consecutive day where the closing bid price of the company's common stock was more than $1.
Yeah,
So
it's
it
at
continued to lift it.
$1.96. Look at that
Yep.
beautiful move since May right here. My pick. See right at the bottom at 45 cents right there. Ever since then, Mojo's got it going on.
Yep. Yesterday's news definitely is going to help push it back up too.
And here's the other one, Ride. Ride hasn't made its move yet. Actually, right here in June, it went up to, it went up to 676. Big move right there. The next one on the list, so we got Ride and HYZN. The next one is, how'd it go over here? FFIE. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Incorporated. Faraday, FFIE, at 22 cents with 15.91% short interest. FFIE.
Looking at that, it's currently at
Yeah,
25 cents.
it went to 50 right here on June 12th, about a month after my pick. It doubled in price. Pretty good.
Nice, nice, nice.
So it's probably on a dip. It's probably worth taking a look at again right there. So that's FFIE. And that had a target price of not there, but short interest of 15.9%. The next one is Mullen at $1 range. Mullen, no target, but short interest of 10.54%. Let's take a look at Mullen. Mullen right here, I'm not going to look at it on that. Let's look at it on this chart. Mullen's actually active today. 12 cents. It's in the doldrums. So Mullen has not worked. But Mullen's a decent company. It used to be up here, look, at $11. It's 12 cents right now. So there's not much risk, a lot of reward, it looks like. And yeah, Mullen. What do you think
This
about
is
Mullen?
Well, Muellen's kind of an interesting company because this is one of the ones I was telling you had a naked short sale attack a while back. And they really do seem like they should be a little bit more solid because of the fact they have so much cash on hand. They actually did a stock buyback, I believe. And so uh, my understanding was that their cash on hand was more than double what their market cap is.
Yeah, seems like it's probably a good deal down here. The next one on the list is Lucid Group, LCID. It has a target of 833, a short interest of 154 million, and 9.6% of the float is short on that baby. LCID at $7.18. What do you think about LCID? What do you know about that stock?
They're on the high end of the they're very luxurious vehicle for electric vehicles. They're all cars. My own opinion is they're going to have to pivot into some type of crossovers or SUVs to really make that company last long term. Beautiful cars, there's
It's
no
made a
question.
nice move up here to a high of $8.37. It's gone a little dip down. Now it's at 737, so that's a good one right there. In May, when I picked it right there on the bottom, down there on the bottom, you got to buy low and sell high. So that was a good one. LCID for you guys to write that one down. The next one, EV stock on the list for a move. That one was base and oversold. That one worked. The next one is SEV. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. Base
SEV.
breakout, oversold with a short interest of 8.7%. It's called Sono Group. They have a target of $2.23. It's 17 cents is the pick. And it's called Sono Group. Short interest of 3.39 million. So not not a big company.
No.
But what has it done? SEV from 17 cents. SEV is, it took a dive. But in June, it went up to 52 cents. It just dove from 36. It's back down at 22 cents. Okay.
What's interesting, this company's had some bad news. They got a notice of delisting from NASDAQ, so that's not necessarily a good thing. They've got to get their
Yeah.
stock price back up. They may have to do reverse or something to fix that.
Because it just was up there on that little spike, that little green move right there. The next one is AYRO, called AYRO Incorporated, an auto manufacturer with a cup and a handle. See this little cup and handle formation with a short interest of 8.13%. The target is $1.30. It's at 60 cents. The symbol is AYRO. Let's
We're
take
at
a look.
86 cents now.
Oh,
And
86. Okay.
yeah, and it's looking like it's
Yeah,
got some
look.
decent growth going on.
Oh, this is the wrong one. AYRO. Oh, yeah. Nice move up. Made a high here of 94 cent. Really nice. Beautiful. And it's at 86. Mojo picked it back here in May, down here on the bottom at real down there low, and 59 center. That's another decent one in the EV market to keep an eye on. The next one was NIO. NIO. They make really nice cars at $8, and it's a real deal bigger company with a target price of $14.79 and a short interest of 111 million shares. Let's take a look and see what NEO is doing these days.
Well, you
And
hit your target, and well, it's
oh,
damn close
yes.
right now.
Woo, 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 woo. That one
Yeah,
looks nice.
that one's real
NEO,
good.
guys. NEO, really nice up here at $14.35. Mojo picked it back here in May at 7. Very nice, 100%er.
Man, Neo's got a market cap of 25 billion.
That's why Mullen and these other ones have a real good chance because if that one's doing good. So now we have PEV, an oversold pick with a base out right here at 82 cents and a short interest of 3.4%. It's called Phoenix Motor Inc. right there. And it is PEV is the symbol at 82 cents. PEV is 68. Hasn't really done anything. Went up here to test 88. So it's in a little base, guys. Hasn't really done anything yet. So this one's a decent one.
They've had some good news though, so I'm surprised
Mhm.
their stock hasn't gone up.
Yeah.
They just announced they got some orders for 13 all-electric zero-emission trucks to be deployed at Los Angeles World Airports.
Nice.
The 13 trucks are built on a Ford E450 chassis, but powered on Phoenix's electric drive system. It's all electric, zero emission trucks.
Nice. We like the electric truck market.
We
Similar
do.
to what this company Exi Power is involved with the Exceeder trucks and the electric market. Absolutely. And Exi Power, symbol on this, the world's first patented electric vehicle range finder. This
Range
one's
extender.
interesting. Range extender, not a range finder. I'm used to playing golf. My Bushnell rangefinder. Been playing too much golfy. But yeah, Exi, symbols EXHI, original pick at 10 cents. It went to 30 cents. And let's see where it is now. Exi,
Oh, we're back to 10
EXHI.
cents.
Oh, we're
Not
back?
much.
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
not much trading volume on this one.
all right, but it went up to 30 cents in July, guys, 30 cents. So here's the play on that one right there. And they make shock absorbers for electric cars to increase the range. So they're a part component company, which you don't hear about too often in the EV market. Trading at 52%, 52-week high of 5 cents, 384 billion EV market. And yeah, it's a great report. So be my newsletter. This came out at 11, went to 30, and that's the end of it. So guys, if you want to subscribe to the newsletter, I got a special in the link below in David's description for $100 off. Just click that. It comes out every Sunday. You'll like those picks, and yeah, as long as I perform, you'll be a member. So hopefully, you'll be a lifetime.
Mike, why don't we also take a look at Rivian today? RIVN.
And we'll take a look at Tesla because that's been unbelievable. Rivian's doing unbelievable. Jumped out of this base here at $13 and is at 26, up 100%.
I finally just yesterday saw my first Rivian electric delivery van delivering for Amazon in Nebraska. Now, that doesn't mean
Wow.
they haven't been here. It's just the first one I've seen. And
Okay.
so I
Yeah.
thought, well, that was just kind of cool, to finally see something because we don't see a whole lot of the EV adoption yet here in this part of the world.
Mhm. Look at this move through $200 on Tesla right here as it hinds and went through par 200. It went straight up before it made a red bar to 276. And now it broke through 300, went to 299.29. It's an unbelievable move on Tesla since May, since I put out this report. So it's really exceptional and great, just great stuff to be part of this industry and know about it and profit from it if you can.
It's good to be seeing Tesla rebound, and they're more than double the price of what they were back at the start of the year.
Yep.
So yeah, it's good to, so much of the EV market basically follows their lead, I think, on the stocks. That's great. Great. Great content
Good
today,
show,
Mike.
good show, good show today. Yeah, absolutely. Show people what these stocks are really like and how people are making money with the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. You've been in the newsletter for a while. You can attest that it comes out on Sunday and you get the picks before the week starts, and they've been really exceptional.
All right. Well, great. This is a good show today. And everybody, I'd like to thank you for listening in.
Have a great
And
weekend, everybody.
you can see more news at evworld.com. Otherwise, we'll be back on Monday. Have a great
Great.
day. Peace, everyone.
Peace. Later.